Hey everybody, it's Phil Struzula from Select Software Reviews, and today we're talking about the importance of landing pages in talent acquisition. When I say landing page, I basically mean a page that is dedicated to a specific talent demographic. It could be women in tech, it could be people in New York City, it could be engineers versus salespeople versus whatever the case may be. And if you think about from a kind of high level, why might this be important? Think about marketing. Think about your corporate website. Does it have landing pages for the different products you sell? If you go to Amazon, is everything on one page like it is on your career site? The answer is no, and the reason is because marketers have figured out that, look, if we speak to specific demographics, we can have higher conversion rates, we can get more customers. A greater percentage of people that go to that page are actually going to convert down the funnel. Here's a quick case study. Okay, so this company that I know, a friend of mine runs TA, they did this big PR announcement. They're like, hey, we're gonna hire 500 people in Boston. Now, because they did this big splash, a lot of people saw it, and a lot of people went to their career site. Their career site traffic increased by 7x, and their applications increased by 50%. Of course, this is the same as 0.5x, and so as you can see, a lot of people went to the career site and didn't actually apply for a job. That's too bad. However, they were really smart, and what they actually did in those articles and all of social media is they drove people to a page on their career site, a subpage, a landing page, if you will, that said jobs in Boston. Here's why we're going to hire 500 people. Here's who we're going to hire. Here's why you might want to work at our company. And they drove people to this page first. And so this page got about 1,000 views, and they had 700 people sign up for what I would call a talent community, which is basically leaving your first name, your last name, your email, maybe your LinkedIn URL. 700 leads, that's huge. They found out that about 150 of these people also applied to the jobs. So they had a resume, they were ready to apply. That's probably this 0.5x. People went here, and then they went to the career site, then they applied for jobs. But think about all these people, the 550 people who saw the PR, they were just kind of reading their morning blogs, they're on Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever the case may be. They thought, that's kind of interesting, I'll check it out. They got to this page, they found out what the company did, why it might be a good fit for them, and they said, you know what, in the future, I might want to work here. I don't have a resume, I'm not a job seeker, I was just on Twitter this morning, but I'll put my name in here, and then now the recruiting team can start dripping out marketing collateral to those 550 people, get them on phone screens, get them into the interview funnel. Same thing as passive job seeking, except these people have actually expressed interest in working at your company. And of course, without this landing page, you'd only get this little bump in applications, which is great. It's great, 150 people, maybe that translates into 1 or 2 hires, depending on your conversion rates. But this 550 is a huge asset that you would have missed out if you didn't have those landing pages. Phil Struzula from Select Software Reviews. Lots of other benefits of landing pages, by the way, in terms of converting people, telling the story that relates to somebody specifically, so that when they get to their page, they learned out why they might want to work at your company. But wanted to highlight at least this one case study on this video. Let me know how you're using landing pages in your talent acquisition.